Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your active status on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram application, then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then what you need to do is go to the top right of your profile and tap on these three bars, and in settings and activity you have to scroll down until you see this section, how others can interact with you, and you need to click on this messages and story replies. So tap on that, and then what you need to do is locate the next section called who can see that you are online, and then click on show activity status. So click here, and as you can see, it then says allow account to follow and everyone you message to see when you are last active or currently active on Instagram app. So if this is turned on, what you want to do is turn this off like that, and you can then go and hide your activity status if you may not want people to know that you are online. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.